We're back here on the SGTV stand here at Elex Coventry. We are joined by
Cezary.
Today we're going to have a go at the Time is Money challenge. So the theme is other trades getting in your way. So the first one is plumbers getting in the way of your SCU. So you've got to take the drawer out, put the fuse in, take the fuse out, put the new one in, close it. Onto this one, plasterers have filled in your double back box. You've got to chisel all the plaster out and wire a double socket. It's a time challenge. The fastest score at the minute is 3 minutes 11 seconds. So how do you think you'll get on?
I'll try my best.
Yeah. So you guys ready? Ready with the stopwatch? Okay. 3, 2, 1, let's go. People starting to watch now. That's the first part of the challenge done. Second part. Pesky plasterers filling in double back boxes there. Pressure's on, how you feeling? 30 seconds, he's doing well. Starting to draw a crowd now. Do you want to boo him or cheer him? Is that your apprentice with you?
It's my son, actually.
Is your son? You're going to boo him? How are we doing on time?
Just about a minute.
1 minute, you're doing well. Could be in a chance to win here. Time's ticking. This is the Time is Money challenge after all. Tick, 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 tick.
1 minute 30.
He is doing extremely well here on the SGTV stand. We're on the last leg of the challenge now. All he's got to do is screw the board in.
2 minutes 20.
2 minutes 20. He's doing well. He could actually win. Tell me when you're done and we'll stop the clock. Done.
2 minutes 58.
We've got a winner. So how did you feel on that?
Yeah, it's really stressful on the tomorrow. Yeah.
Stressful, yeah. You've done extremely well. I just want to thank you for joining us on the stand. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a pleasure. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Thank you.